Dear students, in Machine Shop Lab, you need to complete 3 models. The raw material given to you is of 155 mm length and 25 mm diameter. In model number 1, by plane turning, you need to reduce the diameter from 25 mm to 23 mm, and the length is to be reduced from 155 mm to 150 mm. In this model, 2 operations are being done. One is plane turning, other one is face turning. That is, to reduce the diameter is called plane turning, to reduce the length is called as face turning. In model number 2, taper turning operation is being done, where the larger diameter is 23 mm and the smaller diameter is 20 mm. This is done using the equation alpha equals to tan inverse of capital D minus small d divided by 2L. Also step turning operation is being done in model number 2. In model number 3, 2 more operations are being done. One is knurling, the another one is thread cutting. Knurling is a process of embossing diamond shaped pattern on the workpiece for better gripping purpose, whereas thread cutting is a process of producing helical shaped grooves on the cylindrical workpiece. As discussed above, now the plane turning operation will be done. Set the tool, bring in contact, gradually the material is being removed, and this process of reducing the diameter is called as plane turning. Now, having completed plane turning where diameter is reduced, the next operation will be facing to reduce the length of the workpiece. Please watch the next one. Now gradually the length is reduced. The material is removed in the form of metallic chips. Now 2 operations are being completed, turning and facing. The next operation is countersinking. See, now the hole has been drilled in the workpiece, and this phenomena is called as countersinking. This is done to hold the workpiece rigidly between the 2 centers. The next operation is step turning.
ಕವರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಬಿಸಿ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಾ ಇದ್ರ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
the step turning is being done at the two places where the diameter is reduced substantially. The next sequence of operation will be taper turning. Now taper turning by compound rest method, for which the setting has to be done as shown here. Yes. Now, yes, setting is being done, and the angle is calculated by using the equation alpha equals to tan inverse of capital D minus small d divided by 2L, and the angle that is obtained will be set here, and that conical shape is obtained once the tool comes in contact with the workpiece. Now you can notice gradually the diameter is decreasing. You can see now the conical shape on the workpiece is gradually obtained. Now the taper turning operation is being completed. The next sequence of operation will be chamfering. Chamfering is done to avoid sharp edges, and the material is removed at an angle of 45 degree. Now watch the chamfering process.
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ,
Now the chamfering process is done.
ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಕಟ್ಸಿ ಡಬಲ್.
The next operation will be knurling. Knurling is the process of embossing diamond shaped pattern on the workpiece for gripping purpose. To reduce the heat developed during the workpiece, a lubricant is generally used to cool off. Now look at that knurling tool. It is pressed against the workpiece, and the workpiece is made to run slowly, so that upon pressing, that embossing is done on the workpiece. Now diamond shaped pattern is obtained on the workpiece. The next sequence of operation will be thread cutting. Now for thread cutting, the type of tool used is thread cutting tool, and the pitch selected is 3 mm pitch. Watch the thread cutting operation. Now the thread cutting operation is being done. You can see the helical grooves are being cut on the cylindrical workpiece. Hence the various operations like turning, facing, taper turning, step turning, countersinking, thread cutting are being done. Finally, I acknowledge my heartfelt thanks to the principal and management of Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, Rajan Kunte, Elanka, Bangalore. Thank you.